In front of me is REALME GT 5G, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, and as you can see, currently I am logged in with my Google account, and if you'd like to remove it, just mark it, then tap on more icon and select remove account. Tap on remove again and click on OK to confirm. Draw your unlock pattern, then wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected. And then if you would like to add another account, all you need to do is to tap on add account, pick Google, provide your email number or phone address, email address or phone number, and click on next then. So let me enter the password now. Here it is, and tap on next. Tap on I agree then, and that's it. As you can see, you just added Google account. Tap on accept to confirm your selection, and it is connected with your device. You can smoothly use it. So this is it. That would be all this you can add and remove Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.